Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we of course had the browser update for Edge, as Google Chrome this week had its update, which was purely bug fixes and nothing else. We add the same thing in Microsoft Edge. So if you go to Edge, upper right corner, 3 horizontal dots, help and feedback, about Edge. It brings you to 138.0.3351.83. I would guess that maybe other browsers also had some bug fixes going through, because it might have been in the Chromium code that the bug fixes happened. In Edge also there was another fix, which was Edge only, which is something that has to do with the browser data time life, which is basically how long certain types of data will stay before they are erased. There is apparently a problem that made the browser crash sometimes. So that is also a fix, which I believe is Edge only. Apart from that, well, just bug fixes, nothing security, nothing urgent. If your browser was going well, that's the way it is. I did have a question about the browser sometimes going black, going dark for a second and then coming back. This has to do with the rendering of the browser and your graphics adapter. So you can check out, maybe update your graphics adapter drivers, see what happens there. But I have seen that here on this PC. But after updating the graphics display adapter driver, the problem went away. So I would guess that could be it. I would not recommend that you go into the settings in Edge and remove the rendering from the GPU, because it slows down the browser quite a lot. So check out for maybe a updated driver if that happens to you. And so, no security this week. That doesn't happen very often in the browser world. We usually have something. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.